Good morning, good Monday morning that is. Well, looks like we may be getting some rain headed in. Quick look at the radar. It's about 7. We need the rain. It really hasn't rained here the whole month of July. We've been skipping lawns the past few weeks. So not for sure what today's gonna hold. I know we got some bids to get done. We'll just have to wait and see how things go. So with the rain, got the boys in here, Scott and Johnny and the old man, putting up some cabinets over the workbench. Plenty of things to do to stay busy on a rain day. So we are getting a nice steady rain. If it could rain like this for most of the day, that would be awesome. Raining. Got finished up in the shop doing what we were doing there, did some quotes. Now we head to the stone yard to look at some stuff for a project we got coming up. This is the stone we're looking for. A lot more of it, but that is it. Got a pretty decent project for us. Looks like we got a little raindrops on the screen. Gonna need more stone than that, but I'm going to talk to these guys real quick. Have a look at the stone yard though. Could spend a lot of time walking around here, looking around. I like it. More of the southeastern blue. Just get all kinds of ideas looking at this stuff. Okay, so we just finished up at the Illinois Brick Company. What was that? What was that slate? Or not slate, but what was it?
It was a flagstone. It was a 2.5 inch thick southeastern blue and brown flagstone. I believe that's what it was.
Southeastern blue and brown flagstone. We got lined up for a pathway that we're going to do, a pathway job. And we talked to Patrick in there because we're looking at a job using Gator Base and Unilock. And it'll be our first time using it, so we had to question him about some stuff. Pretty good. There's a lot of potential with that, I think.
Oh yeah, I think so.
A little bump, sorry about the bump. But, so, kind of looking at it expanding out into the paver patio, sidewalk aspect of things. And going the Gator Base route to start with. Just seeing how things work out with that. So we'll keep you informed on that. But now we're headed to Farm and Fleet, because Milwaukee drill.
Yes.
Milwaukee fuel. We got to pick up another Milwaukee fuel drill because we have a demo job coming up that we will need it on.
Maybe even reciprocating saw.
Yeah, we do need a reciprocating saw.
Yes.
We actually need that sooner. 'Cause we got downspouts to do tomorrow. Then later on this month, we have a drainage job coming up. So that was quotes we were working on earlier this morning while the guys were out in the shop hanging cabinets and getting blades squared away. So I'll have to see how all that turns out. Maybe we'll go in and take a look at the tools at Farm and Fleet.
Might as well.
Yeah,
It's a rain day.
it's a rain day.
Shop day, bid day, public relations day, education day.
Public relations, yes.
A bit of everything.
Oh, eating out day.
Yep, lunchtime.
Lunch out. Gotta like rain days. We haven't had one in a month, so
What are you gonna do? Go to Buffalo Wild Wings?
Buffalo Wild Wings might be nice.
We will clock out before we have a beer.
We're gonna go and take a look at tools. Farm and Fleet.
With the camera.
Yeah, with the camera. It's called vlogging.
Oh.
Yeah, you didn't know that? Oh. So people will look at us when we're in there.
Right.
Maybe they'll want to be on camera.
I don't even want to be on camera.
Chad, yes you do. Everyone loves seeing you on camera, man. Scowl.
How are you guys?
Good, how are you doing?
Good.
See, everybody wants to be on camera. We're headed to Milwaukee tool section. Okay. There we go.
The reciprocating saw. $220.
$320.
Come on now.
Maybe there's a package deal here someplace.
Surely they can do better than that. Well,
Compact.
check this out, dude. This is the drill, the impact, and the reciprocating saw for $420. Now, how in the heck? Where's that math come into play?
So-
I mean, I'm good with that, but I mean,
Right. So you got the 3 for $420. It's on sale.
and we don't really need another drill, but the other impact would be.
But this
beneficial.
by itself, $319. It's a no-brainer, actually.
Yeah. But let's see, why couldn't we put our own package deal together?
Put our own. Here's this. These are the ones right
Nope.
here.
Look
Yeah.
at that bad boy.
Oh, a 12?
12, baby.
Yeah. The 12 is $250.
$250. Woo. God, how heavy that sucker is.
Dang. That thing probably lasts a week.
The 2-pointer doesn't last that long, but I mean, I like that for sure, but it's giving us a drill that we don't really need. Anybody want to buy a drill?
Yeah,
Only
we've already
$419.
we've already got a drill.
Right.
Well,
That's $330,
and that's $419
and that's $419
with battery and
With-
charger.
and an extra tool.
All right.
Still giving us the extra drill. I just don't want to spend that much money. but it's less than having to buy everything individually. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I think that. Dude. Yeah, I don't want to spend $420 either, but in 2 jobs that we'll use these tools on, it's going to be paid for.
Right.
I mean, that's the way you got to look at things. I mean, if you
It's the same thing as that, but this has got the hammer drill and the impact driver. You see, we don't have the hammer drill. I mean, that's another. That's
definitely more money than I want to spend personally today.
It comes with a bag.
Oh well,
Contractor bag, dude.
I guess that justifies $100 extra.
Absolutely.
But whenever you're buying tools or equipment, I mean, the way we look at it is, how soon will that piece of equipment or tool pay for itself? So yes, that package is $420, but we're going to be using it on 2 jobs, 3 jobs, and they'll be making us money. Paid for, making us money.
Yeah. Here's a different reciprocating saw. One-handed recip saw. What's the cost on this? And it also has the skill saw in it. I don't see a price on this.
One-handed one would be just as good for the purpose that we use it for. But
I mean,
that's probably $600. I'm gonna guess.
I don't know, because it has a skill saw in it with it. It's a 5-tool combo kit.
Yeah.
Which really we don't even need these 2.
No.
Doggone it. See, where's the one-handed reciprocating saw at up here?
All right.
Why can't they just have like a pick-your-own combo set?
Yeah, Milwaukee. You should do a pick-your-own combo set.
Yeah.
Good marketing right there.
They still don't have the one-handed thing up here anymore.
But I live out on a farm and I use that.
They don't have it. Nope, they have the saws on. They don't have the one-handed reciprocating saw. Well, that solves that. The problem then, we're going to go check another store.
Yes.
Unless you want to check the price on that 5-tool deal. Just,
We can.
not because that's what I want to get, but
Right.
just
So
so that we
regular
can have an
shape,
idea.
or like if you're shaping up plastic or insulation or just a regular,
Probably take it over to the price checker.
Right. It's got to be somewhere. It's up ahead.
I know there's a price checker around here.
There's got to
someplace.
be.
How much do y'all think it is?
5 tools, 1 battery. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, the price checker.
Where are you at here?
They always hide them, you know,
Oh, well.
on the top. $3.29 on sale. Originally $4.29.
What? Seriously?
Yeah.
Well, that's a no-brainer. That's $3.29.
Yep. It's a good deal for 5 tools.
Yeah, there's one over there. It's 3 tools for $4.19, and it's on sale.
It's probably a brushless kit. Because this one isn't brushless.
Ah.
That's going to be your difference. Usually the higher priced ones. I was in tools for 2 years. Usually the higher priced ones are usually the brushless.
Well, there you go.
Well, I wonder what ones we already have.
They're probably not the brushless.
I mean, the only difference is the motor that's in it. You know, the brushless ones, it doesn't have the copper brush in the
Right.
motor. It's ran by a chip instead, so it just keeps your tool from getting as hot. It's the only difference.
You don't want your tool getting hot.
No, not at all. And that would just extend the life of it.
True.
Right. Thoughts and opinions?
No. All right, thank you.
Thanks very much.
So,
That explains that. But, all right, so brushless is probably the other one. The 3 for $419.
right, let's go look.
And these are not brushless. It would say
I can't read it. Okay.
yeah. It's a frameless, but it's not brushless. 4 brushes.
Okay.
So this has got brushes in it as well.
What's that, a flashlight? Yeah, it's a work light.
That's what one of these is. So this 4 brushes. So neither one of them's brushless.
Right, well, hey.
What should say, $329?
Let's
This
do
should
it.
not even. Yeah,
That's no-brainer. We're not using these on the job site every single day. We're using them for specific jobs on occasion. So,
yeah. It's every single day on jobs. Well, for these jobs.
Yeah.
These 3 right here for sure.
yeah.
And this one on occasion. And who doesn't need a light?
Doing it. Oh, it's awesome going into a store with a camera. That's really kind of the first time that we've done that. It's fun. People look at you like they don't want to be on the camera. Then they do want to be on camera. Well, hey, I think we got a deal on that, Chad.
I think so.
I think it's going to suit our purposes. Those tools in there will make the jobs much easier. And we just got an email from one of the quote that you sent out earlier. It says, hold on, let's see what it says here.
It says change my mind.
Oh, hell no. It says, I'll put the check in the mail today. I will tentatively put September 4th on my calendar. That's nice. Then a couple thoughts. So we have a client that is a planner, which is good. Nothing wrong with that. How long do you think the project will take? Do we need to move the red truck that is alongside the garage so you can get equipment back there? Will you need to park in the cul-de-sac? If so, I would request that your truck's equipment are about 15 feet from the mailbox so that the postal carrier can deliver.
Okay.
If this isn't convenient, you're more than welcome to park in the driveway.
This is gonna be a fun one.
Yes. Well, I don't mind dealing with clients that that are planners and want to know what's going on.
We've got a couple that are exactly that way.
Yes. As long as most folks I find that if they are in the know and they want to be in the know, they're easy to get along with.
Yep.
So
Answer all their questions and think of a couple questions that you would ask yourself and provide answers before they think of the question.
absolutely. Well, I think we're headed to lunch. Oh no,
Nope.
we're headed to Menards. Got to buy a couple tools, more tools.
Yeah.
That's the thing about rain days.
You spend money you're not making.
But we just made money too, so it's been a productive day.
Yeah.
What? We gotta have a camera to eat lunch?
We had the camera all day.
All day.
All day. So you get to see where we decided to eat lunch. There's Euros.
I didn't know if you were going here or Bobo's.
No, Little Porgies. The one in her band is not Little Porgies anymore.
What?
The one in her band is not Little Porgies
No,
anymore.
but Bobo's is farther down the street.
Right.
That's why I said
Little Porgies barbecue. Yum yum.
It's called like the smoking pig or something
Yeah,
like
smoking pig or something like that.
What'd you get, Chad? Barbecue chicken. Barbecue pork, fries, pickle.
Coleslaw on the side.
and I did great.
And then Pops doesn't get anything. No, he had to be different. Had to be different because what'd you get?
Hey, catfish, if it's good, it's worth waiting for. Either ketchup or mustard.
Really?